Nicomatic DMM metal connectors are rugged and adaptable space-saving connectors for defense, space, civil aviation, UAV, and robotics. DMM metal connectors provide reliability with quality materials and design. The aluminum 6061 grade DMM shell adds 360-degree EMI and RFI shielding with thermal properties compatible with intense temperature cycling. The PPS insulator is space compliant with low humidity absorption. Fixing hardware is made of 316L stainless steel for corrosion resistance, and contacts are gold-plated for signal reliability. DMM connectors offer over 5 million configurations for high-speed data signals up to 5 amps, high-power connections up to 30 amps, and coax connections for high-frequency signals up to 20 gigahertz. Board-to-board, board-to-wire, wire-to-wire, and panel mount configurations provides application adaptability with adjustable polarization keys for unique mating in multi-connection interfaces.